I've made quite a few videos about the HubSpot Prospecting Workspace, and I really love how it makes your sales reps' lives a lot easier and helps them to get data input into the CRM a lot easier than probably what they're used to. But the other important part of this is once that data gets put in there, how easy is it for you as a sales manager or someone in more of an executive role to look at that data and see what's working versus what's not working. So I want to show you the sales analytics tools that have some of these canned reports. To find these tools, you'll go to reporting and then hit analytics tools. And then the next thing you'll do is go to sales analytics. You'll see over here on this left side that there is a section for prospecting activities. So if you click on that, you're going to see all that data that you have being input from that prospecting tool. So sequences, meetings, calls, and tasks, all compiled right here inside of reports that are already inside of HubSpot. So you don't need to have someone build this for you. So you can come in here, and I highly recommend that you just kind of look and poke around inside of these tools so you can see the data that you have at your fingertips. But again, I can look and see how many meetings, like how are we performing, or how many do we have no-showed, how many have been completed, etc. And then additionally, calls and tasks. Again, this stuff is all inside of HubSpot already. You don't need to be a reporting wizard. I think it's super helpful, and it really brings full circle the impact of the prospecting workspace.